Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got 18-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Set of all-season floor mats. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a Burl 1 wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Got a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, our buttons for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving settings. This C-Class has 31,267 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.